August 2016. Published my first book, Emotional Habits. No, Emotional Intelligence.
Which you lack. Which both of us lack.
Which we both lack. Now we are heading to the dealership to pick up my brand new Range Rover.
Dude, you've had a ride, like
$50,000 in debt.
It's crazy, man. And then you decide to launch a community and course and the rest of that. 1 year of solid work.
That's the problem most people don't get. You know, waking up 6 a.m., work out for a bit, just the family, and then, you know, work, like, you know, skipping events.
It's the sacrifice.
Right?
What are you gonna give up?
It's the sacrifices, and most people are too scared to make the sacrifices. You ready for this?
What?
I want to see him.
I want a hug from my son.
I haven't seen my parents in months.
He hasn't even said hi.
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 Okay. Hi, Dad.
Hi. See your dick. Can you tell me, please, the reason why you came to Vancouver? Was it to look at the cars?
No, it's to buy it.
To buy it?
I'm picking it up right now. That's what we're here for.
No kidding.
We're
Okay.
gonna drive it down to Mexico.
Your dad.
And then drive to Mexico.
So I'm so lucky that Emeka actually bought me a car. I'm so excited for my surprise. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll cut your fee down a little bit.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Excited?
Excited, nervous, like, I don't know, man. There's like a lot of emotions going on. It's definitely one of these pieces. But is that it? Sam, is that it?
This car might be over there.
Rachel, nice to meet you.
Emeka, nice to meet you.
It's just in the other building here.
Okay, it's not even it. Easy. It has a bow.
It's a big day, bro.
The only one. Give it to myself. What was the time frame on this? How long? August 2016, that first book was published?
What's that?
August 2016, that first book was published?
Something like that.
What's the date today? May 2019?
May 4th. 18 months, something like that.
Super proud of you guys.
Fuck.
Whip it off. Just pull it off. Let's see this. Or you know what? Do you want to pull it off?
I'll pull it off.
Yeah.
Pull what, Rachel?
Let me just get his reaction.
D1's gonna pull it off.
I'll pull it off. Which way?
Is that cool?
From the back?
Yeah, pull it off from the back. Let's see this shit.
This is special for both of us, bro. You ready?
No.
You ready?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, my favorite color.
Oh, are you getting me that color? That's beautiful.
Whoa. Oh, fuck. Are the keys in it, Rachel? Are the keys in it? Can I start it up? Thank you. Dad, why don't you come and start it up?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Here, get in.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there's a fridge.
This one I need.
It'll be a nice drive back to Mexico, huh?
I like it. Sick.
So you guys can look around. We're just gonna do the paperwork.
So,
Sick, huh?
sounds fucking dope.
Sounds dope. It's gonna sound even better.
Now I have to go get the Lambo, don't I?
So we get this in the
This way? Thank you.
Loving it.
Other than the hiccups that we had, but
Oh, yes.
No, it's all good. All good.
All right. So I just need signature here.
This is it.
Thank you.
No Coleys. Look at that. I'm a big boy.
How you feeling?
Bro, this is unreal. Like, I got the keys, babe. I got one for you. And like, yeah, no, this is, it's still not real. You know, it's still just, you know, just taking it all in. Taking it all in. Damn, really? Are you kidding me? God damn. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Congrats, congrats. Congrats!
This is the top of the line. This is the bottom. Okay.
It depends on what your phone is.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon it.
500 kilometers coming up today. We got to break this bitch in. How do you? Twice?
Just the one.
Just once? Right? Supercharged.
I'll just go grab it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Supercharged V8.
Cool. Insurance is the same for the Mazda.
Really?
It's the exact same as what I pay on the Mazda in Canada.
Gas won't be. Welcome to
Yeah.
94 octane life,
Yes. Look at the color.
No, I think Mexico has only one grade, isn't it?
No, they have two. They have 89.
They have
and
two now?
91. Yeah.
Oh. They changed.
Oh. Mexico.
I don't know
Mexico
why.
changes. Shit. Fuck. Good God.
Hard work pays off, guys. Seriously.